Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection issues with your Mi True wireless earphones to Basic. Okay, so if you have the same notification like in my case, that they cannot communicate with your phone, first of all I will recommend you to go back from the Bluetooth on your device and then simply restart the Bluetooth. So turn it off for a few seconds. Next, just input both earbuds inside. Remember to charge them at least for the 1 hour, and then simply open this charging case one more time and then click and hold these two touchpads until indicators starts blinking together on white. Okay, as you can see right now there's white solid light and it will disappear after a few moments. After that we can release both touchpads, and right now when you open the pair new device, turn on the Bluetooth on our phone, that will also appears on the list, but right now we will be able to pair them. We basically pair from the hard reset and fix any connection issues. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.